Show to the camera.
Cook.
Closer. So it's like a elephant.
Yeah, yes.
It's an elephant, man.
We have this. I think. Hi guys. Today we're going to unbox this one.
What do you call that?
It's Treasure X Fire versus Ice. And then we get fire or ice versus ice. So either you'll get fire or either you get ice.
Coba zoom in. Will you find fire or ice?
Fire! We've got a lot of ice right now. Our collection, almost all of them are ice. Like all of them are ice.
Teacher Ivory like to collect this stuff, yeah?
Yes. I also like to collect anime figures if I can. Open it. We got ice again. Oh my god, yes. Oh, we got this too.
Mana lihat?
We got ice again. We're so never
Maybe emang fire-nya sedikit ya.
I don't know. Drop it down.
Jadi gimana?
Imagine if it's rigged and you only get ice, never fire.
Yeah, imagine.
Bisa juga.
I pengen makan.
Do not.
Jangan dimakan.
Now we drop the water on this to make snow. Yes. Where was that thing? Oh, I see it. Okay, so we just get that and just snow. Just watch it grow. More snow. More.
I not see.
Kayak apa?
And now we just do that. We're going to be this for later. Snow. Save that. Snow. Habang lagi pakai ini.
Drop water tambah banyak ya?
Yeah. Put the entire cup on it. No. No. There only like some kind of meteor right here. There's a meteor. Always that, right? Yeah. Always.
Snow-nya buat apa sih?
For fun.
Just for fun aja.
Yeah, to be honest. And then you open this with this. Now we just hold. Can you see it?
Uh-huh.
Yeah. Throw it in the trash bin. Yes. We have a new collection. Snow collection. Open this. Do this. I forgot about this part. Be water. That'll be like this thing. Yeah. This again. You got this again. You go. I'm throwing this away. The snow. So we already got these things.
Ya terus potong itu
We
harus
got
dikeluarin
this
ya.
and this, but we haven't got this one. We got this and this. This is the one that we got right now. So these are the fires. I honestly want like these two. They're really cool looking. And I am back. I bet we're gonna get at least we got this. But I think we have.
Ego, you
like
blocking
two
the
of them.
camera.
I think we already have 2 of them of this.
Zoom in.
It's actually a hard one to find, to be honest. So I guess it's not that bad.
Okay.
But the only one is actually the really golden one.
Havana, ayo udah keluarin belum?
Or this.
Keluarin dong mainannya.
Yeah, this one will be.
Oh, pakai tangan.
Iya dong.
Yeah, this one on fire. That looks really nice. But these two looks also really nice, so we want like these ones.
Tapi jangan masuk mulut ya tangannya ya.
This one even. Can I try? Havana? No, wait. Ito, come here. No. Can I try? Okay, Havana. Have you two bucks? No. Okay. Then we got that mammoth again. Yeah, but let's do white one now. Oh, we did this one. Give me it. Just go. Havana. Hanggang di Havana ko na ba niya? I am not a. I cannot cook, but I can. If you bully, you'll not get a lot of subscribers. Just use your hands. Okay, I'm gonna help. Okay, I'm just kidding. Okay. Oh, that's a big chunk. Then I'm gonna eat it. There's like jelly, but it's inedible, and probably inedible.
Nggak boleh lah. Nggak boleh dimakan dong.
Yeah.
That's like chemical or something.
Water chemical. Water. Fire. Air. No head. Here's head. Your head. More snow.
Jadi,
Do not drink this water. I put it out here and just put it right there. Please do not. Do not drink it. Do not drink it.
Boleh.
Where's the snow?
Snownya?
I put it in the garbage. What? No. You're lucky. They're still small on this. How many see?
Dibuang ke sampah kok. Kenapa?
Subscribe.
So, mainannya? Kasih lihat dong itu dapatnya apa? Pasang dong. Cici Ivory. Pasang mainannya dong. Kasih lihat ke kamera jadinya seperti apa.
Okay,
Iko, pasang kok.
Wait a minute. Wait.
pasti mau dipotong.
Hah?
Assemble.
I am a,
And then this thing.
I am a cooking expert.
And then
What? I think it was on the back of this.
Show to
I
the camera
can cook.
closer. So it's like a elephant.
Yeah, yes.
It's an elephant man.
We have this.
Dipotong kue, Havana.
I went through this. This is our other one.
Oh, that's your before collection.
We have around 3 more of these.
Show me.
Do I have to shower again? Yeah. Please be no.
Sama, Ceh.
Yeah, but the color is different.
Oke.
And
Jangan makan ya.
here. But I am not sure of this one. But you got both this. But this one like a different one.
Kasih ke kamera, Ceh.
White ting ting, or ice ting ting. Who would win?
Ini ice semua, tidak ada fire.
Yeah.
Hah?
It's almost.
red,
No, it's red. It's red. Oh yeah, it is red. No fire.
The thing
kind
is,
of feels like
this
jelly
looks
to be
yummy.
honest.
This looks yummy, but it's poisonous, I think.
Iyalah.
It's poison. this is the end. Thank you guys for watching. Please like, subscribe, and share. Thank you guys for watching. Bye bye.
Bye bye, Havana.
Bye bye.
This is your punishment.